Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you that the device comes with the 3.5mm headphone adapters on this device. So now we'll check that. Here we got this just charger brick, USB, Type-C cable, and inside of this box we got this SIM jack tool on the paperwork and the protective case, and unfortunately we have no here just headphone adapters, so if you wanna use this adapter you should buy it separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.